How to make money as a freelancer online. Do you want to make money as a freelancer? You are at the right place. The internet has really expanded freelancing and taken it to another level. Freelancers are now exposed to different kinds of job or contracts, or short-term assignments with a number of companies, websites and organizations, all thanks to the internet. Since the explosion of the internet, freelancing has become more and more popular. This only means one thing: competition. So in order to survive in the freelancing industry, you need to know what you are doing. Do not worry, we are here to help. Here are 7 steps you can take when venturing into freelancing as a way of earning your livelihood. After going through this, absorbing the information, you will be ready to make money as a freelancer. How to make money as a freelancer online. Steps to make money as a freelancer online. 1. Have a vision. If you who wish to succeed, you must have a vision. Be a go-getter. The worst obstacle in freelancing is the thought of "you can't do it" and laziness. As a freelancer, you should be committed and hardworking. Since deliverables must always be on time. Do not venture into freelancing, simply because it gives you the opportunity of working from home. Of course, that is one of the advantages, but it is not the right way to view it. Think of freelancing as a career and a business opportunity. You can also come up with your business name and logo. This way, you can begin to view yourself as a big company. 2. Decide on the type of freelancing you want to commit to. The freelancing field is very wide. You have to decide on what you like doing, something that you will not get tired of and give up. Take stock of all your skills. Reflect on what you are perfect at, something that you get a lot of praise for. Start with your best skill. That is what will set you apart and from the rest. 3. Take your time when entering into freelancing. There is no hurry. Make sure that you are focused and fully committed before you go for it. Before quitting your job for those with regular job, think about it deeply. Freelancing is not something you get into and make it big immediately. It takes time and experience. You can still begin while at your current job, just to be sure before committing your full time to freelancing. 4. Prepare for slow results and periods. For every starting business, there must be slow periods before prosperity. You might get worried and think that it might not work. This is absolutely normal for every human being. Just make sure you for this period and prepare for anything. With more experience, clients will be able to trust. The more you freelance, the more experience you get and you will know what to expect in every contract. 5. Hold yourself accountable. As a freelancer, you are your own boss. In case of anything, you should hold yourself accountable. Without a boss, you will need to give yourself the motivation that people get from bosses. Review your works and see where you have gone wrong. Increase the quality of your work by getting lessons from more experienced freelancer. Get into freelancing community, learn from others. Make sure you are in the know of latest trends. 6. Be prepared to frequently talk about yourself. So many clients like to know about you before giving you the job. This is important. You are your own advertiser. Whenever you talk about yourself, remember that you are advertising yourself. 7. Get used to being alone. As a freelancer, you will most of the times be alone. You will lack social interactions like a traditional office environment with lots of people to talk to. Never allow loneliness kill your motivation. Try working in different environments. You can go with your laptop, sit in a bar and do your job, a mall, anywhere. Spice it up. Meet with other freelancers and learn how they cope. If you have read the above steps, processed and absorbed the information, congratulations, you are finally ready to make money as a freelancer. Now head over to freelancing websites and make some money. Find below the most popular freelancing websites: Upwork, TopTal, Guru, Freelancer, 99 Designs, People per hour, iFreelance, Simply Hired, Fiverr.com. Check the description of this video for the links to all the resources mentioned in this video. Thank you for watching this. If you find this video informative, do like and subscribe and let us know in the comment below about sharing your thought in this. See you in the next video, and until then stay tuned to aid the student.